Welcome to Science. I'm Mrs. Tank and I'll be your teacher this year. In 7th grade, we studied life science. And life science is, as it sounds, it is the study of life. So we're going to study all of the living parts of God's creation. We're going to start by going through the scientific method so that we can understand how scientists answer the questions that they may have about the world around them. We're going to talk about the places that scientists may work, whether it be in a lab or whether it be in the field. We're going to talk about the tools that scientists use. We're going to talk about microscopes and all of the other equipment that they may need to study the world around them and to answer the questions that they may have. We're going to start after the scientific method by looking at the cell and all of its contents. You may have studied this before, it may be a review, but we are going to go ahead and start there so that we all have a basis. So we're all starting together. So we're going to talk about the cell in the beginning and all of its parts, and then we're going to go through how that cell interacts with other cells and then works to create the things that you see around you. We're going to talk about living organisms and systems that they have. We're going to talk about plants. One lesson in particular, we're going to talk about the mangrove trees, and they are native to our state of Florida. So I always like to throw in some lessons about things that are that we can physically see around us and not just look at in pictures. We're going to talk about animals, and we're going to talk about how they interact with the environment and the environment interacts with them. The same with plants. And ultimately, we're going to wind up at the end of the year talking about the human body and all of the systems that are required for the human body to work. We're going to talk about the skeletal system and the muscular system and how that they work together to help you move. And we're going to talk about the digestive system and the circulatory system and how all of these things work together to keep you functioning as a human being, because you are, after all, part of God's living creation. I just want to say that I am excited for the year to start. I'm excited to meet you all on Wednesday and just to get to know you over the course of this year. And I pray that you've had a good summer. I pray that you are ready to come back to school. I pray that you are ready to get started on this crazy science adventure we're about to embark upon. And just know that you are being prayed for and that you are we just are so excited that you're going to be coming back into the classroom. So I can't wait to see you on Wednesday, and enjoy the last few days of your summer vacation. Bye.